Your AI agent is extremely bold. It will purchase anything. That's a serious problem. Look at this token. It's live. I asked one question. Is this safe? The guardian that scans before you sign. Pause. This configuration, assets can be acquired, but they cannot be moved. Your automated agent would have encountered this obstacle. Bhairab stopped it instantly. We're not crying wolf. Solana is green, clean, liquid, safe. We only stop the rot. We check the math, the authorities, the rugs. Integration is one line. No sign up, no friction. This is Bhairab. Test us.